Hello children, hope you are all doing good. In previous session, we saw terms used in addition, two-digit additions with regrouping and without regrouping. In today's session, we are going to see addition in number line and regrouping tens and ones and regrouping hundreds and tens. First one, add the following numbers using the number line. What is a number line? Number line can be defined as a straight line with number placed at equal intervals. It is a pictorial, that is a picture representation of number on a straight line. On a number line, a number on the left is always less than the number on the right. Similarly, a number on the right is always greater than the number on the left. Here the addition statement is 5 plus 2 plus 3. So first let us do 5 plus 2. So 1 and 2. So this is plus 2. Then from here we have to do plus 3. So from 7, 1, 2 and 3. So this is plus 3. So what is the number we have got here? We have got 10. So the sum of 5 plus 2 plus 3 is 10. Come, let us do another sum. Here we have 4 plus 5 plus 3. So we have to start from 4. From 4 we have to go for 5 times. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9. So from here again plus 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So here we have done plus 3. The sum of 4 plus 5 plus 3 is 12. So we need to write sum is equal to 12. Let us do another sum. Here the statement is 7 plus 6 plus 6. So in a number line we have to start from 7. So 7 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 7 plus 6 is 13. From here another 6 times, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So another 6. So the sum of 7 plus 6 plus 6 is 19. So the sum is equal to 19. So here we have done the addition in number line. They have given you addition statement. Accordingly, you have done it in the number line and found, and we have got the answer. Here comes the next topic. The next topic is regroup as tens and ones. Here they have given you 23 ones. So among these 23 ones you have to regroup it as tens and ones. So as we discussed earlier, in ones place you can have only single digit. So 9 ones. Here we have 23 ones. So we have to split it as 2 tens and 3 ones. So it becomes as 20 plus 3. So we can say it as 23. Next one, 91 ones. So we have 91 ones. So how many ones makes 110? 10 ones makes 110. So here we have in tens place, here we have 9. So you can write it as 9 tens and 1 ones, which can also be written in numeral as 90 plus 1, which is 91. Next, we have 34 ones. So 34 ones, which can be regrouped as 3 tens and 4 ones. And while writing it in numeral, it can be written as 30 plus 4, which is 34. Next, we have 62 ones. So, in 62 ones, how many tens do we have? We have 6 tens and 2 ones. It can be written in numeral form as 60 plus 2, which is 62. So, regrouping as tens and ones when they have given you only ones, you have to see the number in the tens place and you have to regroup it. The next topic is regroup as hundreds and tens. Previously, we saw regrouped as tens and ones. We had ones and we regrouped it as tens and ones. Here we are going to have tens and we are going to regroup it as hundreds. How many tens makes 100? 10 makes 100. Come, let us do the sum. Here we have 57 tens, which can be regrouped as 5 hundreds, 7 tens. While writing it in numeral form, it can be written as 500 plus 70. Together it is 570. Next, we have 63 tens. In 63 tens, how many hundreds do we have? We have 603 tens. It can be written as 600 plus 30. Together it is 630. Next, we have 24 tens. In 24 tens, how many hundreds do we have? We have 2 hundreds and 4 tens. 200 can be written as 200. And 4 tens is how much? 10, 20, 30 and 40. So, plus 40. So, when you add 200 plus 40, you get it as 240. The last one we have is 38 tens. In 38 tens, how many hundreds do we have? We have 308 tens. It can be written as 3 hundreds, that is 3 times into 100, that is 300. 8 tens, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. So 300 plus 80 is 380. So while regrouping hundreds and tens, you have to see how many hundreds are there and how many tens are there. Only then you can write. Yes, children, in this session we saw addition in number line and regrouping tens and ones and regrouping hundreds and tens. In next session, we will be seeing 3-digit addition with regrouping and without regrouping. Until then, take care, stay safe, stay home. Thank you, children.